Hi everyone, everything I'm about to explain in this video has been verified by the experts working here in the shop, so take a deep breath. This can be fixed. When your Ford displays the message "engine on until next vehicle stop," it doesn't mean your engine has gone rogue or that something serious has happened. What's actually happening is that the auto start-stop system, the one that turns off the engine when you stop to save fuel, decided today it's not going to shut off. This behavior often happens when certain vehicle conditions prevent the system from operating safely. For example, if the battery is low, if the air conditioning is working at full capacity, or if the transmission or brakes aren't ready for the engine to turn off. Mechanics here explain that the car simply evaluates available energy and decides to keep the engine running so it doesn't risk the operation of other systems. Another detail the mechanics point out is that the age or condition of the battery plays a big role. If the battery is weak or charging less than expected, the auto start-stop system automatically deactivates and shows that message. Some owners have solved the issue by installing a new battery or performing a battery load test to ensure everything is in order, which reduces how often the message appears. Sometimes the message can be a bit persistent even when the engine and battery are fine. In these cases, some users recalibrate the battery management system using tools like ForScan. This helps the vehicle better understand the real capacity of the battery and allows auto start-stop to operate normally when appropriate. Others simply disable the feature through the settings menu, which stops the message from appearing entirely. The good news is that this warning doesn't mean there's a serious problem with your engine or transmission. It's more like a reminder that the smart system decided to keep the engine running for safety or energy efficiency. That's why often the next time you stop or after a long drive, everything goes back to normal and the engine shuts off as it should.